The Wella Studio is Wella's premier education destination for stylists all over North America. In our seminars, attendees are growing their knowledge and technical skills while implementing their learnings in hands-on workshops. So please be sure the service you are seeking matches the requirements of the seminar, or we might not be able to take you as a model that day. All services are performed by licensed professionals and are overseen by a Wella signature artist who lead the seminars. Upon arrival at the studio, you will be greeted by the studio concierge and be provided with volunteer model paperwork. This paperwork requires your acknowledgement of the processes and policies we have for our volunteer models. During the workshops, we strive for excellence and want to ensure you leave looking and feeling beautiful. First and foremost, all hands-on workshops are a learning environment and need to be completed during a specific time frame. Before the workshop, a team member will discuss your hair and desired end result to confirm that the correct services are possible. You will then be paired with a stylist and begin the consultation process, so please have an end goal in mind. Images are a big help here. The stylist will guide you in what is achievable. You may need to prioritize one area of concern over another. Keep in mind, the more drastic of change, the longer it will take you to achieve that look. To provide the best experience for the stylists and models, we ask that you arrive at the designated time and request that you refrain from working on laptops and taking phone calls during your consultation and services, as this can delay or impact the end result. If you're a model for a hair color seminar, during processing time, you may use your phone or tablet. Just be mindful, we ask that you provide the attention needed to finish your service once processing time is complete. If you have any concerns or questions during the seminar or the process, feel free to discuss these with the signature artist leading the seminar so they can help provide a solution and answers for you. If you need more than one seminar to complete your ultimate hair goals, please see the concierge desk on your way out to book for your next seminar. Be sure to refer your friends to become volunteer models and receive a free gift on your next visit to the Wella Studio. All model booking and requests can be sent to studiomodelsla@wella.com. Again, thank you for being a volunteer model at the Wella Studio. Our seminars and learnings would not be possible without you. We look forward to seeing you in the Wella Studio and helping you achieve your hair goals.